We'd like to thank you for participating in this Maryland STEM Festival event. We hope you enjoy our virtual event and attend many more. You can find all the festival events on their website, www.marylandstemfestival.org. They ask that you follow their social media presence on Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Use the hashtag MDSTEMFest to share your STEM festival experiences. There is a survey on the website to give feedback on this event to help make next year's experience even better. While you are there, don't forget to sign up for the festival's newsletter. Finally, please consider supporting the festival through our GoFundMe campaign, also on the website. Enjoy the program.
Welcome back to week 6 of the Maryland STEM Festival Science Series. My name is Brian, and this week we'll be learning about electromagnets. So lastly, before I go into how to safely build these things and all that, I do want to say the battery does get kind of hot sometimes. It's not likely to burn you or anything, but it does get a little bit warm, so you can go ahead and put it down and give it a couple minutes to cool off. So, first thing is, if you have your take and make kit, you should have just about everything you need. That's 2 pieces of tape, a C battery, 12 inches of wire, a couple paper clips, and an iron nail. So, we don't give these out, but you're probably going to want a good pair of scissors and possibly help from an adult, because this is definitely a pain to do. So what you do is you cut in here a little bit, but not all the way through, and you sort of roll the wire around, like inside the scissors, to cut off this little jacket right here. If I can get this off. Yep. Do the same thing to the other side. After that little adventure, you should end up something like this. So what you do next is you just wrap this around your nail as tightly as you can. Just in a little coil like this. There we go. Now that you have that wrapped up, you just tape each end of this wire to one end of the batteries. Just like this. There you go. Now you should have your own working electromagnet if you did everything right. So before I talk about why this works the way it does, let's troubleshoot a little bit. So if you notice your nail's not picking stuff up as well as it should, you can try 2 things. One, you can wrap the coil around the nail a little bit tighter, because the more wraps you get around here, the stronger your magnet's going to be. And you can also try holding the positive and the negative terminals on the battery to make sure the wire has a better connection, like this. Because sometimes these things get loose under the tape. As you can see, that just came right out. So it happens. It loosens up a little bit. Anyway, on to how this works. All right, so to explain how this works, you've got electricity moving from one end of the wire around the coil through the other. So whenever electricity moves like that, it creates a magnetic field. And whenever you do that around a piece of iron or like metal that contains iron, we call that ferrous. Whenever that happens, it creates the magnetic field around the little iron object, and that is how you pick up these. Pick up paper clips. Thanks for joining us this week. I hope you had fun with making electromagnets.
Well, that's it for our STEM festival this year. We hope you had a really great time. We had so much fun putting these experiments together for you. Just a reminder to go to the STEM Festival's social media. They have a Twitter, they've got an Instagram, they've got a LinkedIn, a Snapchat, and a Facebook page. Go ahead and post on those and let them know how much you enjoyed the programming this year and any suggestions you have to make it even better next year. Thanks, guys.